Hi everybody, my name is Elisa Montañez. I'm 35 years old. I live in Yopal Casanare and I work in Yopal too. I'm a preschool teacher and I work in a private school. Right now I study my teaching practice for the English degree. I'm married and I have two children. My husband is a security guard and my children are students. I like to play soccer, I like to read, and I watch romantic and mystery Korean series, and I love to spend time with my family. We usually go a trip by motorcycles to know different and new places around the regions. Also, I really like English, and I want to improve my communication skill in this language. I still have difficult understanding and expressing myself with fluency in English. However, I have high expectation with this course, and I want to learn a lot of and interacting with you to vary my knowledge and acquire new learning. My principal goal is to be an excellent second language teacher, and I improve my job stability. For my time, I can connect it for the English practice or English speaking practice at night because I work all day. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your attention. It's all for the video. I want to see you to the next in the next opportunity. Thank you so much. Bye bye.